the fact that interest rates here in Bermuda are higher than in Cayman, and
Yes.
explain, to the public as to why that is, and will there be any changes based on everything that's going on right now?
Interest rates change based on a number of circumstances, and in fact, going into this crisis, we did lower interest rates. We lowered interest rates in Cayman, and we lowered interest rates here. The observation has been made that they were lowered more in Cayman than they were here. The bank has an obligation to look at a number of things. And so part of the challenge is there is no lender of last resort. There's no syndication of loans. There's no Fannie Mae, Jenny, in which to pass loans to diversify the risk off on. So before you even get to Bermuda or even Cayman, there are whole reasons why loans are more expensive in Cayman and Bermuda. And I think what we made clear in the article that was in the Royal Gazette is you then have to look at the economic environment you're lending into and the relative strength of those economic environments, the relative strength of the housing markets, economic growth, employment, and the like. And so each jurisdiction does have a certain risk premium associated with it. And the differential that you see between Cayman and Bermuda at the moment is principally down to that risk premium. In time, we may take further action on interest rates. We may not. It'll depend on a number of different factors. We have talked to the Minister of Finance about ways in which that could be accommodated. So I think that will become part of further conversation. So the Bankers Association has actually recommended some steps that we feel could be taken to reduce mortgage rates in Bermuda. So I think those conversations will be ongoing. And again, I think that's part of being helpful, but I think it will require everybody to be helpful.